to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing another what I eat in a day video for you all. It is a Sunday today, so I'm going to try my hardest to be like 100% on and be good. On the weekends I tend to kind of off-row a little bit and not eat as well, but today I want to try and eat my best and just kind of feel good and start myself on the right path for the next week. So yeah, I'm gonna share with you everything that I eat today. So it is breakfast time and I'm gonna have something different than I usually do. It's a Sunday and I bought some cereal the other day as like a treat breakfast. So something that's like not really the most filling of breakfast, but something that's nice to have now and then. And I'm gonna have some cereal today, but with a twist. I've been seeing this online quite a lot recently on Instagram and everything. A lot of people I follow have been doing a thing where they have their cereal, but to make it a bit more like protein dense, they have been making their milk with protein powder and using that as their like cereal milk instead of just plain milk. So we're going to do that today and see what it's like, because if it means that you can have cereal and have a higher amount of protein, then that's great. And also it's not going to eat that much into like my calories either, because I have like so many more like high calorie breakfast than a little bowl of cereal. So here is my like breakfast. I have these cereal from Aldi. It's the cocoa peanut and butter balls. This is basically a copy of the Reese's peanut butter puffs. I've never had those because I refuse to pay £5 a box. And in Aldi these were £1.50 and I've tried them, they're amazing. We're having these today for my breakfast, and to go with that I have some almond milk because that's my milk of choice when it comes to cereal. And then I'm going to be using the Quest vanilla milkshake protein powder because I felt like that would go nicely with this. And this is next to nothing in calories and this is quite good. So I don't know if I'm going to do a whole scoop or half a scoop, but this is my little breakfast setup and I'm really looking forward to having some like protein milk cereal in a sense, and I'll let you know if it's any good. Lunchtime, and I thought I'd quickly tell you about the cereal. It was actually quite good, like with the protein powder in it. I would say I wouldn't do a whole scoop of protein powder in it. Like I think it was a little bit too thick because I don't have a lot of milk in my cereal, so it was very thick, but it was nice because it had added like a vanilla taste to the milk and it did keep me a little bit fuller for longer, which was quite good. And I actually didn't end up using all the milk I had in my protein shaker, so I drank the rest of it as like a little mini protein shake. But I would recommend doing it if you kind of want to boost your protein a little bit. That actually boosted it a lot. Like I think I only had like 7 grams of protein in the whole entire thing, and it boosted it to 20, nearly 30 grams nearly, because it was like 28 point something. So really good. I would definitely recommend doing that if you do struggle with hitting like your protein goal for each day. And it didn't like alter the taste too much, and I reckon it'd be nice if you made it a little bit more like liquidy. But yeah, it is now lunchtime and I'm going to make a roll for my lunch because I picked some stuff up the other day from my Aldi food shop, and I'm gonna have like a nice roll and have a packet of crisps with it and everything, and I'm really looking forward to it. So this is gonna be my lunch. I have a Alani Nu energy drink which I got recently from a company called the Protein Pick and Mix. This is in the rainbow candy flavour. I just wanted to try this out while I was doing like a video so you can see what it's like. Then I have some chorizo slices from Aldi. I have the caramelised onion hummus from Aldi as well. Then I have the cheese top rolls from Aldi. And then from Aldi as well, I have the Tangy Toms. I picked these up a couple of weeks ago and I still have some of these left. And these were on like a special offer in Aldi a couple of weeks ago. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have a roll with some caramelised onion hummus in it and a few slices of chorizo. I normally have cheese and like chorizo in my roll, but I thought it would be nice to have some hummus because this has a little bit more protein in it. It's a bit better for you. It's not as high in fats and everything like that like cheese is. So I thought I'd have that in my cheese roll. And then I have a little packet of crisps as a side with that instead of like some fruit in that, because I'm not really fancying an apple or anything right now. And then I'll let you know what this energy drink is like as well. It's like 10 calories for the can, so I'll let you know if they're any good. Later since I had some lunch and it was really good. The Alani Nu energy drink, I thought I would just tell you what I think of it on here. I do have 2 other flavours that I haven't tried yet, which I'll make a point of trying in another what I eat in a day video for you all. But the flavour rainbow candy, if I'm 100% honest with you, tasted like medicine. It had no nice taste to it. I've tried a lot of like sugar-free energy drinks over like the course of like the last year. I've tried loads of different brands like Monster, Nocco, Alani Nu, Grenade, so many different ones, and I think that rainbow candy flavour from Alani Nu was the worst one I've ever tried, and that's comparing it to the flavours of Monster Ultra that I absolutely hate. And I hated that one. It was basically, it just tasted like you was drinking medicine. Every time you took a sip, it kind of tasted like that horrible like cough medicine you used to have as a kid. Really weird. Didn't enjoy it. I do have 2 other flavours, so what I'm going to do for you all is I'm going to try them in some other what I eat in a day video. So check the thumbnail for a picture of the can in another video so you can see what I think of them. But wouldn't recommend the rainbow candy flavour. Hopefully the other 2 flavours are nice, because it would be nice to maybe try them and actually like them, because they were quite expensive from the website I bought them from, because they're an American brand. But yeah, not the best. But anyway, it is now it's like middle of the afternoon sort of thing, so it's not quite dinner time, but it's gone past lunchtime sort of thing, and I'm gonna have myself a snack. And what I'm gonna have is these rice cake bars from Aldi. If you haven't seen recently in some of my videos, I've actually started shopping at Aldi recently. I can't do a whole entire food shop there, so you will see stuff from other places when I do like my why in a day videos. But I bought a lot of like snack related things from there, because they have a lot of like healthy snacks, low calorie snacks, and they're really cheap. So I picked up these rice cake bars, and they're in the chocolate orange flavour, and they are 92 calories a bar. So I'm going to have one of these, and what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to try it on camera for you all, and we can both see, like I can do like a live reaction of what I think of them, if I'm honest, because I've never tried them before, and I've never heard anyone talk about them either on Instagram or anywhere. So I'm going to open them up and we can try them. So it literally just looks like a chocolate bar in a sense, and it smells a little bit like chocolate orange. It's not like crazy amounts of chocolate orange. The only thing I would say that's bad about this is it's quite high in fat and sugar compared to like other things, but I'm going to try it out now for you and we can see what it's like. I think it's nice, but it's not like the best. If I'm honest with you, that I have these rice cakes from Morrison's that are chocolate orange, and they have little orange pieces on them, and they're actually less calories than this and way more enjoyable. But I will say that these would be great to have just in your handbag if you fancy something sweet and you don't want to spend like loads of calories or anything like that. So I would just keep these as like a handbag snack. And then if I'm in the house, I'd rather enjoy the ones that I have from Morrison's, which are, I'm going to say way nicer than these, but these are still not that bad. It is now dinner time and I'm going to make something that I think I've made before in a what I eat in a day video, which is massaman curry. But I'm going to make it slightly different this time. I have different rice and I'm not putting as many vegetables in. So I'm going to show you what I've got to make my massaman curry, but I'm going to have that for dinner tonight as it's just something that's really nice and enjoyable, and I don't mind spending the high amount of calories on it tonight for dinner, because I know it will keep me full for ages. So here's everything that I'm using for dinner tonight. I have Alpro unsweetened coconut milk. I have sticky coconut rice from Sainsbury's. I'm going to have half of this pouch. I have some garlic paste to put in with the chicken, which is just here. I have a pepper, a red onion, and then the massaman curry paste, which I actually got this from Amazon. So what I'll do is I'll leave it linked down below for you so you can try this out. But yeah, this you can just get in the like world food aisle of your supermarket, and I'm just adding onion and pepper to this today just to add a bit of vegetables. Normally you're meant to put potatoes with it, but because I'm having this rice, which is quite high in calories, I'm having no potatoes with it for dinner tonight. But that is my ingredients, and I'm going to now prep it all. bit later since you saw me, and my dinner was really good. So now I'm gonna go downstairs and get myself something to have as like an evening treat. As you know, in pretty much all of these like what I eat in a day videos, I always have something after dinner, like always. Even if I have like a snack during the day or anything like that, I always like to have something sweet after dinner, whether it's something really low calorie or something a little bit more indulgent. I always have something that is somewhat sweet to enjoy in the evening, and I just feel like that helps with like tiding me over for the evening and not end up going like OTT with like calories or anything like that. And I feel like it does really help with my weight loss. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go downstairs, get something to eat, and then I will show you what I picked. So it's much later since I had my treats, which were really good. I had the Aldi mini gums that are sugar free. If you haven't had those before, I definitely recommend trying them out. They're like 69p a bag, and the whole bag is like 150 calories. Really not that much. I had 2/3 of the bag in that clip that you just saw, and really good. I normally leave them in the fridge so they go harder, so they take longer to eat, but they are really nice. And they're kind of like midget gems, but obviously less calories. And then I also had a Milky Way crispy roll because I saw them the other day in Aldi and I had to get them. If you're from the UK, you know what a Milky Way crispy roll is. It is like the best thing of my childhood. That and Magic Stars are like two things that I remember so much of my childhood that I used to have all the time when I was younger. So I had those as my like evening treats today. So I'm really happy. I'm now just drinking water for the day. This is my 3rd bottle, so I'm going to carry on drinking that for the rest of the evening, try and hit my goal by the end of the day. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this what I eat in a day video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button because it means a lot to me, and I know that a lot of you love watching these videos, and I do promise to do more of these over the next few months because it's the summer and I absolutely love doing them in the summer because I try to eat so differently in the summer and also try and eat so healthy. So yeah, if you want to see all that and get some inspiration for like healthy eating and weight loss and everything like that, then carry on watching. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you all very soon for another what I eat in a day video. Bye.